Hi guys, good morning, good evening. How are you doing? Good afternoon, wherever you are at. My name is Noel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining in, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting me, your girl. So if you're here, you're watching me and you haven't subscribed yet, please do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button. You can like and comment and share to your family and friends, and also do not forget to turn on the post notification bell. In case I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to be alarmed. So what do we have today? So guys, I'm gonna bring you the house tour of where I am spending my days here in the coastal region. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna show you my small studio apartment that I'm spending my days here, but I'm enjoying so much. Yeah, do not judge, it's according to my pocket. Yeah, according to my pocket, this is what I can afford. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the house tour of this place, and I hope you like it. Comment, share, and like the video. Do not forget to give me the thumbs up. Okay, comment down below, do not forget. Okay, let's start the video. I hit myself. This is the outfit of the day. Before we start it all, it's a bikini. Yeah, it's a skirt and a top. As you can see, it's hanging here. I don't know what's up. Hey, it's a bikini. Yeah. Okay, let's start our house tour then.
Don't push back. Don't push back. Conscience under pressure.
You. Okay. So let's start with the bathroom. Let's start with our bathroom. This is the way, and this is our washroom, the cloakroom. I don't know. So we have here uh, no, what is this called? A bucket that if you want to wash anything, you can wash it from there. And then we have a toilet right there. And then we have a bathroom. It's big and it's so clean. And then we have a shower right there. We have a window there for ventilation. You can see it's sparkly clean. And I love the fact that this place, they offer good services, like they clean after a day. Yeah, it's so clean. They clean after a day. They wash utensils for you. They wash the house, the sheets, and everything for you. So you're good to go. The lighting, everything is amazing. We have so many lights here and there and everywhere. Okay, so we have I don't know what this for. It has water. I don't know for what, but this place doesn't go out of water. I have my shoes here. There is a mat right here. Okay, so we have a sink here where you can wash your face and brush your teeth. And then I bought these pegs so that I can be hanging my bikinis after swimming and all that. And if I want to wash my clothes, I can hang there. So that's the sink. It has water. Pardon guys, it's a little bit dark. So it has water, running water, plenty. And then we are done with the washroom area. So let's go to the kitchen. Voila! That's our kitchen. So don't mind that sound, it's a token sound. Yeah. Okay, so here as you can see, we have a fridge. Yeah, a fridge here, but at the moment it's empty. Ain't using it because I'm not like mostly eating in the house. So that's a fridge. You're well covered. We have a bin here if you want to throw your dust and everything, but today the house has been cleaned. As I've told you, they clean the house after a day, so the place is perfectly clean. Then we have a gas cylinder there with the gas already, so always I cook my tea and whatever I want to prepare. So we have a 2-burner gas cooker here. Yeah, so amazing. And then we have the surface here, as you can see. Then we have the sink here to wash utensils, as you can see. And this is the soap that we use in the coastal region. the washing whatever, and then we have oil here in case you want to cook, and then the sink here. Don't worry about the rusting effect because the water is salty. As you understand, if you have ever been in the coast, you understand the water is always salty. Then we have here a bottle for water, but it's done. Yeah, this is how it looks, the window for ventilation and everything. And then we have the cabinets here. Oh, sorry, this is not mine. Don't mistake me, guys, this is not mine. I found it here. I don't know. I don't drink these. Okay. So we have cabinets, but it's empty here in case you want to put your stuff, maybe food if you bought. We have enough utensils here. It's really helping the cups, the plates, everything. We have the pots, the cooking pots up there, and then we have some shopping sugar. What? Unga is cooking flour and everything that you want, salt and everything. Then I have my last milk here. I had bought milk for like 5 days or 6 days. Yeah, 6 days. So this is remaining. Yes, this is how the kitchen looks like. You can see the house. The house is really good. It's so clean. And I love it, guys. I can't complain. I can't complain. I love it. I love it. I love it. You can see more cabinets down here, but I haven't even opened them because I don't have anything to put there. I just came for staycation, not for living and all that. So, but you have token here that is making noise. Yeah, you see, guys, it's so perfect. I love it. Everything is perfecto, perfecto. Okay, now, so we go to the living room. Now this is the door going outside. Yeah, so the living room. Ooh, let's start with the wardrobe. Now this is the wardrobe here. Now this is the wardrobe here. It's huge, guys. It's so huge. It's so huge, and I'm not gonna open because it's so messy. I haven't arranged anything. It's so messy, so I'm not gonna open. But here is, let me just show you how messy it is. So here is one. Then we have the cabinets there. We have another one here, and then of course we have a mirror here in between, dressing mirror. It's perfect. We have the storage here, and I'm using this surface to put my sprays, perfumes, Laurent and everything, my lipstick, my necklace, oil, everything, guys, even my goggles, whatever shades, and name them. Then it has also the lighting here in case you want to turn on, you can just turn on there. So this is the wardrobes. They are very huge, and then there is lighting here. I'm telling you guys, I'm enjoying this stay. You see the lighting here, the red lighting, but there is a white lighting there. I don't know how do I call it. Okay, so let's head here. So here we have a carpet, of course, as you can see, and then we have a table, a small round table here, and as you can see, we have leftovers, the breakfast leftovers, bread and eggs, and then tea here, leftovers, whatever. Then we have water here. I have water here, and then this is the chair that I'm using to sit on in case I want to sit. It's serving the purpose. And then let's go to the entertainment part. So entertainment part, we have a television there. I've switched it off because I wanted to shoot the video and I don't want copyright, so I've switched it off. It's a 32-inch TV, smart TV, Wi-Fi, fully loaded. It's not buffering, it's not doing anything. It's perfect, guys. It's perfect. If you want to upload your videos like I'm doing, you can do. If you want to post your WhatsApp videos, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you're good to go. It does the job well done. It's a perfect Wi-Fi. That's the entertainment area. Okay, and then we have extension down here in case you want to charge. They provide for you this, I don't know what is it called, this for mosquito. If there is mosquito, yeah, you're covered. And then we have what do we call this thing here? A fan. Yeah, a fan, and it's pretty working. Let me show you. Where do I? Yeah, it's pretty working. You see, guys, pretty working. Yeah, yeah. You see, you see, guys. You see, it's pretty working. So you don't mind about the heat. And then we have a window here. The lighting is too much because the light is coming from the outside. Let me reduce. Even if I reduce, it's not working. Okay, now this is our window. You see the curtains are perfect, the shears and all that. Perfect. It's so amazing. You can see I haven't drawn the curtain so well, like perfect, but that is it. I don't know how I can show you. They are so amazing. Let me reduce. Oh, I don't know if you can see. So that's our window there. You can see the curtain and the sheer. All right. So that's it. And then we go to our bed. So this is our bed. It's a 6x6 bed. This is where I've been sleeping at. It's so comfy. And it has two pillowcases, and this is a throw pillow one. And then the white sheet, sparkly white. Sparkly white, and then you are provided with two sheets, but today I've been given one. You see, one sheet, one bed sheet, and then a towel, but I don't use Airbnb's towels. I use mine. Then I have my adapter here, my power bank here in case of anything. I'm sorted. We have a remote here for listening music and all that. So this is our bed here, and that's the view. That's the view, me people. That's the view. You see? You see, guys? You see? That's it. That's the thing. Then we have another lighting here, so plenty of lighting. Yeah. So that is it. Let me know, what do you think about this? So this has been my home, and it's still my home until I leave this place. I'm not going to change because I love the place. It has everything I need. It's clean and everything, I love it. So guys, that's it. It's just a bedsitter studio apartment, you see. Yeah, I love it, guys. Ooh. All right, let's switch this off. We don't need it right now. Switch off. Perfect. All right. Okay, so guys, this marks the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the end. I do appreciate. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. I don't know what's going on. I need hot stuff. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share to your family and friends, and turn on the post notification bell in case I upload new videos. Who will be the first person to be alarmed? You guys. Yeah, so let me see you on my next one. Ciao, au revoir.